Here we have a question. A cell of EMF 4 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm is being charged by another battery of 20 volt and 4 ohm by a series resistance of 14 ohm. So we have to calculate as well as draw the circuit diagram. We have to calculate the charging current and the terminal potential difference across cell. Let's see how we can solve this question. So here's a solution for the question. First of all, the very first part, the circuit diagram. As a cell of 4 volt is being charged by a 20 volt battery, so we shall mention first of all the symbol for the battery. This is battery with 4 ohm resistance and EMF equal to 20 volt. Now this battery is supplying current to charge this 4 volt cell. So by using a series resistance, we have used a series resistance here, that is of 14 ohm, and then the cell is connected this way. The 4 volt EMF and 2 ohm internal resistance. This is a cell. Now connect here. This box represent battery. Now since the cell of 4 volt is being charged by a 20 volt battery, therefore we have to connect the positive terminal of a battery to the positive terminal of a cell. That is, we have to connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive terminal of a cell so that the battery could supply current to the cell. Now the current flowing through it, let it be I. So this is the solution for the first part, that is we have drawn the circuit diagram. Now B part, let's say B part. We have to calculate the charging current. The charging current, that means we need to calculate this I. So for this, first of all we have to find out the total resistance of the circuit and the effective EMF of circuit. Here effective EMF of circuit is equal to 20 volt minus 4 volt. That is 20 volt minus 4 volt equal to 16 volt. Total resistance of circuit (4 ohm from battery, 2 ohm from the cell, and 14 ohm. All these three form series. So therefore the total resistance of the circuit would be 4 plus 2 plus 14, that is 20 ohms. Therefore now from the circuit we have total EMF. We have calculated the total EMF of the circuit, total effective EMF of the circuit, as well as total resistance. Therefore the current through circuit is I is equal to total EMF upon total resistance, which gives 16 upon 20, that is 0.8 ampere. So this is the solution for the second part. Now for the third part, see the terminal potential difference across cell. For the third part, we need to calculate the terminal potential difference across cell. So for the terminal potential difference, since the cell is being charged, therefore the current is flowing into the cell. Since the cell is being charged, so current is flowing into the cell, therefore the terminal potential difference across cell would be V is equal to E plus I into small r. So it will give 4 plus 0.8 into 2, that is 4 plus 1.6 equal to 5.6 volt. So here is a complete solution